right at the beginning of this Savage Garden to the Moon and Back video, the star of the video, who the song is actually about, yeah, you pay no attention to through the whole song, yeah, because you're not looking for it, but it starts with this person here. On the back of his shirt, yeah, or she, or whatever, it says spank. Now, that person there that you're looking at is intended to be you. And as you can see, yeah, you won't have noticed this, I bet you. Well, I don't bet, but you get what I mean. Here, she is, or he is, dressing up as a woman, yeah, and then you can see how this is a tranny thing, yeah, it's like, ooh, dressing up in fucking private and seeing how I look and all this bollocks, yeah, that's not a woman, you can see this, yeah. And all throughout the video, yeah, as you can see, it's a boy. Yeah. Now, here, just as he gets on the train, yeah, at 2 minutes 22 seconds, which is an angel number, a synchronistic number, they're showing you. You see where it says you? That's so your unconscious mind registers that as yourself. Okay? But the lyric there, at that very point, is, baby gonna take a dive. Yeah, like I explained earlier, they want you to fall through sissy porn, yeah, take a dive, okay. And then as you see throughout the rest of the video, it's clearly a boy, you can see it's clearly a boy, and you know, the fingernails are cut, that's a man hand. This song is to install transgenderism. What I've just explained in the Moloko song, Sing It Back, where when you sing the chorus, the verses are being accepted and affirmed, placed in the background, in your mind. Same thing is happening in To the Moon and Back. Listen. But before that, she's taken her time making up the reasons to justify all the hurt inside. Guess she knows from the smiles and the look in their eyes, everyone's got a theory about the bitter one. They're saying mama never loved her much, her daddy never keeps in touch, that's why she shies away from human affection. But somewhere in a private place she packs her bags for outer space. Right, mama never loved her much, daddy never keeps in touch. It's exactly what I'm saying in the reparative drive video. It's a bonding problem in childhood. Okay? Now, this Moon and Back song, yeah, is a, again, like the Moloko song, it's a programming tool to install the ideas into your mind of transgenderism. Because what it's actually doing is like, oh, hang on, what is it? She packs her bags for outer space and now she's waiting for the right kind of pilot to come. And she'll say to him, she's saying, I will fly. But where he says she's saying, and then the chorus starts, you sing the chorus, you're singing what she is saying. So you are her. You see? And the verses have been placed in the background. You understand? Same as what I said in the Moloko song. But where you are actually, you see, what's going on is they're creating your reality. Yeah, you sing along to the song, their words become your thoughts, it creates your picture, you assign it meaning, you give it the feeling, and then it manifests in reality. It's like you're literally creating reality, or they're creating it for you when you're singing along to this song, right? When you sing along to any song. But where you're singing her bit, she's saying, I will fly you to the moon and back. That's her bit. That's what she's saying. Yeah. By singing that, you're singing as her. So everything else has been placed in the background, it's been accepted and affirmed. But what's been accepted and affirmed is the fact that you are her. And in the video, the girl that he's singing about is actually a boy who is dressing up as a girl, as I've just shown you in the thing. And you can see it's clearly a boy. I mean, they made it look like he's got tits, but it's a boy. Okay? And just at 2 minutes 22 seconds, as she gets on the train, yeah, like I said in the other video, you put the program at the highest height of emotion in the deepest depth of trance. Yeah. So when you absorb in the song at that point, yeah, that's where they put the program. And in the picture that I'll show you again here, it's saying on the right, you, yeah. Now, your unconscious mind is what governs reality. 10% is the tip out of the iceberg out of the water. The rest is underneath the water. That's your unconscious mind. It's the unconscious that's in control. Yeah. So you imprint that, you impress that into the unconscious mind, and suddenly, yeah, you're watching fucking sissy porn. But also in sissy porn, they're in the one that I don't think I actually played the clip in the other video. I played the sound of it, but they want to turn you into a moon slave. This is the point. The moon is the feminine, the sun is the masculine, and they want to turn you into the feminine. You see, and this is what this song is about. It's casting a spell on you. Yeah, it's all about the moon. You see, and the elite, yeah, they worship Saturn. Yeah. I'm not going into all that. You know, there's people out there that will explain it a lot better than I will. But this is the point. They want to turn you into a moon slave. Yeah, and you'll see that in. It actually says it in one of them porn videos. Not in the actual porn part. I haven't watched that. I just watched the 30-second intro to it. But if you pause it, you see moon slave. It's got a smiley face. I don't know if I'll put it in this video, but yeah, there you go. You see. And it's not just this that they've been installing these ideas into your mind with. This is, you know, when they say it's television programming and all this sort of stuff. Yeah. Well, I'm explaining to you the neuro-linguistic. I'm not really going into it, but this is what neuro-linguistic programming is. It's programming your neurology. Yeah. It's programming your being with language and pictures and things. Yeah. But they've been doing it. What about girls who are boys, who like boys to be girls, who do boys like their girls, who do girls like their boys? Blur. Always should be someone you really love. Yeah? Why? Because the trannies. And we're supposed to love it, apparently.